Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This video has been highly requested by our viewers. A how-to on the one ball acrylic method. This is my go-to method when I'm doing a client. It's fast and efficient. I will be using my favorite color from Glam & Glitz acrylic collection, and I will be walking you through it step by step. Let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. So for this video, I'm going to be using Glam & Glitz ColourPop acrylic collection, and the color is Surf. So I've already sanitized my client's hand, and I've already prepped the nail. Now I'm going to apply my acrylic. So in doing a one ball method, you want to make sure that you have an adequate amount of monomer in your brush, because you are going to be picking up a pretty large bead. So you're going to pick up the bead and wait for it to polymerize. And you're going to apply it a hairline away from the cuticle, and you're going to use gravity to move the bead down from the cuticle to the free edge. One of the things I love about Glam & Glitz acrylic is it has this amazing consistency that allows you to do a one ball method pretty easily. Now when maneuvering your bead on the nail, you want to make sure that you have a nice flush cuticle. Make sure that your apex is thicker, and then slowly taper down towards the free edge of the nail. So now I'm going to wait for this acrylic to dry before I file and buff and shape this nail. So now that I'm done filing, shaping, and buffing that nail, I'm going to go in with my non-wipe top coat from KiaraSky. And I love this top coat because as soon as she comes out of the light, there's no sticky layer and she's good to go. So now that that's out of the light, I'm going to go ahead and finish up with some cuticle oil. Okay guys, there you have it, the one ball acrylic method. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!